we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of SAFEMATE PJS03 2500A car jump starter with air compressor. Consists of the following features: 2500A peak current for reliable jump starts, powers up dead 12-volt batteries in 3 seconds, even in extreme temps, -4 degrees Fahrenheit to about 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Works on 8L gas/6L diesel vehicles, trucks, SUVs, boats. 4 battery system boosts performance by 35% for 40+ starts per charge. 120 psi air compressor with auto shutoff, inflates car tires, 25 to 36 psi in 60 seconds, motorcycles, bikes, balls, and inflatables. 40 liter per minute high-speed flow adjusts pressure precisely, psi, kPa, bar, kilogram per square centimeter. 13,200 mAh power bank plus 40 watt fast charging, adapter not included, charges phones, tablets, cameras via 40 watt USB-C PD or 24 watt USB-A. Requires a 40 watt PD charger, sold separately, to recharge from 0 to 100% in 65 minutes, 15-minute charge equals 1 emergency start. Smart LCD screen and voltage detection, real-time monitoring of car battery health, tire pressure, and safety alerts, overload/short circuit. Built-in LED work light for emergencies. 10-in-1 safety protection, guards against reverse polarity, overheating, overcurrent, and more. UL certified for safe travel storage. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.